I was a bootstrap founder my entire career. And from a founder standpoint, a lot of founders go through this inflection point of, do I continue to build myself? Do I bring in outside partners and capital? But what's actually more important is what's on the other side of that money. What type of resources, what type of engagement, what type of value are you going to find in those partners? And what does that look like?
But there's also a second component of decision making, which is intuition. And I think that you can't spreadsheet that. An example of that is a potential hire. He or she may be an amazing person on paper, but when you interview that person may not fit with the organization, and you just kind of feel it.
And within weeks, we had a prototype that we were able to get feedback on and engagement. And that whole process, you're either shortcutting discovery, which is never good in a formation, or you're not able to take that discovery and really quickly iterate off of it. And the way that that's been compressed in this situation into a couple of weeks is amazing.
I had all of these ideas that kind of lined up, kind of didn't, of where I wanted the product to go. And I knew that I need a little bit of direction. So I pulled in one of the partners here at Superset who had built successfully before. And he immediately had me take a step back, look at what was important in my idea, and focus very narrowly on that. Once solved for that, then move naturally to the next. I wouldn't have been able to do something like that had somebody who had not sat in my chair before actually guided me.
There are many instances where people have showed me the right way. Right? And from my co-founder to my investors, I bounce ideas off of different ideas to help us grow together. I think that's one of the things that, we pick the partners that we do because they offer something that we may not be the best at.
Nobody knows what's going to happen with the company, if it's going to go up, if it's going to go down. But what you could really figure out with utmost certainty is how quickly you're going to be able to evolve based on who's kind of shoulder to shoulder with you.
Because what worked 2 or 3 years ago, I can tell you right now in most industries is not going to work today. It's the actual how people think and act and lead that are the most important elements of making those decisions and getting your organization to scale from sort of nascent days to into something much larger.